see what's going on. Somebody got some oil pressure. And yeah, just to let y'all know, wrap service is coming soon, man. Laying this thing down, man. Lego box style. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just messing around with boss man Lolo right now on the wrap side, but let's go ahead and bop over here, man. Cause I know y'all remember this thing. And if y'all don't, go check it out. And go give him a follow. Because he back alive. He back alive. Yes, sir. Got that big scale on that. He ready to take some names again, huh? It's that 1320 edition lick. Woo-wee. Y'all remember this thing? It was out here before. And this thing was a monster. But the upgrades and changes that took this thing to a whole nother level now. You know what I'm talking about? Big level. Go ahead, boss man. You gotta get up and up. Making sure everything copacetic, man. First start on this demonstration. Woo. Woo. Now this is what you call a compound boost. You know what I'm talking about? Well, it's kind of compound boost, gang. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them tricky, sticky situations y'all talk about. Yeah, that's on there for visual aspect only, man. This thing is a turbo beast. I know y'all want to see this thing unleashed. Woo. Yes, sir. Let's move and groove and bop on over here, too. Because we got a lot of turbo stuff going on. And it seems like it's a charger type of time. Like turbocharger, twin turbo, you know what I'm saying? Like they around. So literally the baggie came off. And now that custom intake about to hit up on here. And this one get equipped with the Helium twin turbo setup like how Boss Man got on his red eye too. So y'all gotta stay tuned to this one. Big beast. Man, we about to have some comma. Everybody joining comma gang around here, man. Everybody joining comma gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. But gonna let this thing warm up. They're gonna get it all up to temp and then, you know, go ahead and cut this thing back home for y'all. See what we got going for today. Yes, sir. Y'all, man, new day, new dollar, new demonstration on the dyno, ready to rock and roll. Y'all know how this thing coming. BS fully equipped, mandatory you get that pulley. And yeah, this the 800 with flex, right?
Correct.
Yes, sir. 800 with flex, y'all. So y'all see it on them Belgians. So is this a 93 or E85 head?
93. This is the first pull with it, so yeah, we're gonna see what she does. The tires are gonna drop it down a little bit, 20-30 horse because of radios, but
okay.
Hopefully we'll see. Hoping for like 750, give or take.
Cool.
It's a little hot, so
it's humid and the tire,
yeah,
so
it's 92 degrees in the shop right now.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Ooh, them Belgians remind me of something, boy. Them Belgians remind me of something. There you go. Dyno full. 800 package on flex. This is a 93 full, and this is the first pull, gang. Let's see what she do. time for the one time, because he definitely about to be acting bad, y'all. Let's see what he done made. Damn near on the money, gang. 724 on the first hit. That is the first one. So it's only going up from here, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. That was the first hit. But yeah, you know, we got Matt over here getting his wrap on, you know, switching the whole look up. Yes, sir. And let's see what we got. Let's see what old Toro got going on. What he got going on? Let's see what he, okay. They over here focused, gang, so we're gonna leave them alone. But yeah, in the process of getting that young Hellion twin turbo kit put on this. And yeah, this thing was a beast. And he just went in the gym and just did mega push-ups now, cause man, them twin turbos about to make him act extra bad now. You know what I'm talking about? Used to have a Maggie with nitrous and everything like that, but yeah, time to convert on over, man. This is that young intake going on there. Look at that beautiful. Oh, let's move this. Let's move this about the way, y'all. Let's move that about the way so y'all get the whole demonstration of what's going on. Yeah, so that beautiful intake. Yeah, it's gonna be on there. Ooh, big turbo. What we got going on with this big turbo thing? This big turbo thing going back on here, man. I know y'all heard this thing running and everything. So getting all the little stuff situated on him, and he should be back to you real soon, buddy. So you just stay tight and sit tight, man. Act bad season ain't over with for you yet, man. But yeah, we gonna move and groove. Like I say, once Jay go ahead put that added sauce on here, then we'll put this thing back on the dyno. But you know, y'all got y'all a Hellcat power car. It don't take much to literally get up here, man, and make this big power, man. Upper pulley, you know, some injectors, some tuning with HP tuners, and yeah, we get you together, man. All the links of all our packages will be in the description, man. So y'all go ahead, click the link, pick a package that y'all would like, and go ahead and order it on up so we can all act bad. Yes, sir.
A few minutes later.
Surprise, surprise. Whose birthday?
Couple jokes.
Ooh. Let's see how they react. He might react different with that camera on. I'm gonna have to try and play it smooth like I
Putting the birthday cupcakes together, Joe. The graduation ones are yours.
Congratulations, my boy.
23. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
You don't want to walk over there. You'll be Marilyn Monroe real quick.
Y'all see the vibes, man. Y'all see the vibes, man. Say happy birthday to Joe in the comment section. We gotta wait for the other Joe too, so yeah, that's that too.
A few minutes later.
We've got a Bluetooth speaker, which is I think in the car.
Which way is he coming in?
Which I'm telling
Okay.
Here.
you for now?
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe.
And Joe.
And Joe. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Share the cupcakes. It's a joint birthday and graduation cupcake.
Yes, sir.
Brought ours early.
This is our.
Oh, dang, Turo got left out on this. Oh, man, Turo. We forgot you, man. We forgot about you, man.
Anyway, throw the little things in when you're done.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all drop in the comment section. Give Joe and Joe
need me right now?
happy birthday in the comment section.
What did it say to him? He goes, I need you like.
Alright, gang. She on corn now, so we gotta see what she gonna do. She on corn. That young E85. Yes, sir. Woo. Not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. It is mega humid in the shop. Mega humid. Like, yeah, it's definitely hot, but yes, sir. Oh, Hawky about to spread her wings. The Hawky finna spread her wings, man. heard she was screaming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see it already. The numbers. Ooh, yes, sir. Boy, listen. All you gotta do is mix that sauce up, stir it up right, and boom. That's what gets you, man. 835 to the tie from the 800 package on corn in the heat. Yes, sir. Hey, man. 707 Red Hawk. We need a video of you gapping somebody. That's mandatory. Yes, sir. Alright, gang, y'all see what we got going on. Clean WK1 on the dyno right now. It's a full bolt-on demonstration too, just to let y'all know. So let's see what she got, what she gonna do. I think the mods on this is headers, intake. Yeah, headers and the coda intake. I think that's it, y'all. And I think she on 93. We'll verify that in a minute. So let's see what she do. What you say?
It's got a boiler exhaust on it too.
Okay, okay. I know you know about that. Yes, sir. Like them boilers, huh?
Don't like the courses.
So you don't like the courses?
Too loud.
Too obnoxious? My man, my man. Yeah, I ain't gonna cap them boilers be sounding sexy. Let's see what she do though. Clean, gang. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He mega clean. This thing is clean. Yeah, he kept this one up. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Oh, that's you?
That's me.
Oh, yeah. That thing clean, man.
In Florida, dude.
It's a Florida truck?
No.
Oh, that's where you stay out is?
No, that's where I got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
Yeah. I drove it. I have fun bringing it here to Chicago, dude.
Oh, you drove it all the way out here? My man.
I was playing with it, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This thing is mega clean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Jeez Louise. The power this thing just put was mega stout. Mega stout. Boss man, you say the mods on this is just really headers and intake, huh?
Yeah, it's just a bolt-on car.
Woo.
Headers and AFP intake, so.
And he on 93, right?
I think so, right? 93?
You on 93, correct?
Think so.
93? Not E85, right? You ain't put the yellow stuff in there.
No. 93, man. Oh, yeah.
That.
All my cars 93.
Yes, sir.
All of them.
Yes, sir.
I know what's up with that cheap ass gas. Then you be in the shop with the gaskets all fucked up, man.
Oh, no. We gonna have to give you a whole little E85 rundown, man, because it's right. It can get you right. It's free horsepower. You know what I'm saying? But his thing needs to be boosted to go ahead and really benefit, you know what I'm saying, from E85, you know, with the compression and everything that these 6.1s output. But man, this thing was clean and the horsepower definitely was mega up there. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. For what he got done to it, he almost tapped 400, man. But whoo, y'all see killer? Y'all see that killer? Y'all see that killer, man? Going back in the street mode, you know what I'm saying? Time to take off them young Biters, take off them Velgans, you know, with the sticky Mickeys, and go ahead and put the rallies back on there, you know what I'm talking about? Put them rallies back on there so she could just go ahead and scoot and boot, because we've been getting a lot of rain lately, man. We've been getting a lot of rain, so y'all know this thing, man, Matt. Matt, what's going on, man? How can you just stand here and just look at this thing just dirty, man? How?
Yes, I'm talking
Hey, I ain't blaming you. I ain't told to do nothing. I'm chilling too, over here. But yeah, man, y'all know Matt be glass packing these vehicles, man. This thing's ceramic coated and everything too, so it ain't gonna take no time to get it back all wiggity, man. But since we moving and grooving through the shop, Toro, what the hell, man? We getting somewhere, man. I see one turbo up in there.
Just one.
One up in there. You gotta get the other side. Okay, y'all still working on the other side and everything.
Yeah.
This one gonna be stout, man. So what's really left on this one to mount and still gotta install the whole kit?
Basically, what you see here is all that's installed. You know, the header, the up pipe, and the turbo. That's literally it. Header, up pipe. No, I don't even have the up pipe in here because I had to take it off. Because we're doing some adjustments over there.
Okay, okay.
That's it. There's nothing up top that I've put on or anything. Right now, I'm trying to take the lower hub off, but it's not coming off.
It's giving some difficulty.
Yeah.
Y'all see, man. He gonna get it together, though. He gonna get it together, man. It's all about working, man. You got it, bro. You got it. But y'all see, man. Woo, these little sexy, pretty things, man. Woo, them little, woo, man. Woo, them turbos, boy, them turbos, man. And like I told y'all before, I'm ready to see this one back in action, man. This 1320 demonstration, he be roll racing his ass off. You know what I'm saying? So, plenty black eye footage from him, man. He gonna be handing out the gap sauce 100%. And y'all know him. Yes, sir. Chasing that young 8 down with these turbos, it's gonna happen. 100% it's gonna happen, man. But everybody moving and grooving. You know what I'm saying? Shop flow is what it is. Y'all see Tulo getting it together over there. Jay getting it over there. You know what I'm saying? Joe getting it together over there. Toro doing his thing. And I think my man's Joe just pulled up. He's still getting that street to woo, the sexy thing. Goddamn, goddamn, bruh. If this thing don't remind me of Hellcat, man, god damn.
Yeah, you starting to miss her more?
Man, listen, you gotta get up out of here with this one, man. Cause this hood, he already killing me. You know what I'm saying? Like, just leave, bro. Just go back street to him.
I'm working on it.
But yeah, man, once Joe get this thing a little bit more dialed in and everything, we gonna hop in this thing and go for a nice little ride. Show y'all, get y'all some Hawk power, you know. Yes, drop in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about that hood. She juicy? Yeah, I know she juicy.